7 French eating habits. And if you're relocating to France, you'll need to be aware of a few particular French dining customs to pull it off. After all, the nation has one of the most renowned and refined culinary traditions in the world. Number 1. Forget everything you think you know about French eating habits. Letting go of prejudices is the most crucial first step you must make as part of your introduction to the realm of French eating practices. Yes, it's true. Not all French people spend their days chugging caviar and Dom Perignon while donning striped clothing and a beret. Although the nation is the birthplace of such frivolous treats as foie gras and frog legs, not everyone enjoys eating them, let alone daily. Nevertheless, the clichés are generally appropriate when discussing less indulgent foods and beverages like wine, cheese, and baguettes. Number 2. Expect to eat dinner a little later. The French like to wait until later in the evening to have their dinner, in contrast to several European nations like Germany and the Netherlands where people often enjoy an early evening meal at approximately 1800. In fact, they don't usually eat at the table until after midnight or even later. Even as late as 2100, families with young children might begin eating their evening meal. When it comes to adjusting to your new French lifestyle, it may take some getting used to depending on where you are from. Number 3. Don't expect to dine at fancy restaurants every night. Contrary to common assumption, not all French people spend every night of the week dining and drinking at upscale establishments. In fact, generally speaking, they choose cooking at home rather than frequently dining out. Additionally, reservations are typically only made for exceptional events at restaurants. And it's not hard to understand why given the abundance of delectable French dishes available for home cooks to prepare. Number 4. Get ready to up your grocery shopping game. It is a well-known fact that the French are obsessed with food. So be prepared to discover a world of decadent delights when you visit your local French supermarket or grocery store. French grocery stores exist in a variety of sizes and shapes. Additionally, they offer an incredible variety of delicious food and beverages for customers to sample, purchase, and fall in love with. It's not called a hypermarché for nothing, after all. Number 5. Never eat on the go. Walking down the street with a half baguette stuck in your mouth is not the way to go if you want to create a good impression when you're out and about in France. French people never eat when traveling, which explains this. Therefore, it is strongly discouraged to eat anything while moving about in public. This also holds true for public transportation. It's true that eating your morning croissant on the metro to work will almost certainly draw some snide glances. Number 6. Quit snacking between meals. You could experience a little culture shock when you go to France if you like to graze all day. After all, the French are nearly renowned for seldom snacking, which may be how they maintain their thin physiques. Given that they produced some of the richest pastries, sweets, and wines in the world, this may sound a little paradoxical. However, giving up the snacks is necessary if you want to fully adopt French eating habits and maintain a healthy weight. Number 7. Be prepared for smaller portions. Okay, so there's a reason we saved this for last. Everyone dislikes being encouraged to reduce their amounts, especially after being instructed to have a fast snack. But in all honesty, one of the most notable characteristics of French dining customs that you will instantly notice is quantity restriction. French people typically choose smaller amounts over mountains of food whether they are dining at home or out. If you like this video, kindly subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.